Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. If you're not on Discord, I'm actually going to do a little bit of a news today that it's actually quite important before we talk about Bonk. And if you want to be a part of Discord again, comment Discord on the comment section. I'm going to give you a link. The Matic name is coming to an over. Now, this is a big news for those people who have Matic in their long-term portfolio. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have Matic as well. So Matic is going to be renamed to Pol, which is the short for Polygon. So Polygon is the main business, is the actual project, Polygon Network. So they actually taken POL from Polygon as the new representative name. It makes a lot of sense, of course, because when you say Polygon, you have Pol. When you say Bitcoin, you have BTC. When you say Ethereum, you have ETH. But when you say Polygon, you have Matic, which kinds of does not make a lot of sense, but I think that Matic for me is actually an amazing name. But anyways, okay, so they're going to be reintroducing Pol from I think even the logo is going to change, and it's actually going to be something new. So I just wanted you to know. Back into the Bonk update, nothing has changed, and of course back on Discord I actually posted the trade idea, and I don't know if some of these people actually took the trade or not, but this was the trade idea yesterday. We were sitting at 1670, and I actually did recommend that this is a good purchase, and from 1670 we've actually been down to 1583. So that has been a little bit of a profit, but a profit nonetheless. So from there to there, you can see that yes, 6% or almost 9%, almost, right? Just ignore the message. It's just a promotional message right there coming in, upgrade your internet and this and that. Now I do think that we are going to see the whole market actually dropping down, coming to this technical target. I really have a strong belief this is going to happen. Of course, the invalidation for me is actually 2398. It has failed multiple times every day to reach back there. And there's a meme actually I shared. So what I want you to do when the market drops, this is what people are going to be doing, okay? Right, so that's how you can actually take the advantage of the dumps. Yes, if you ever see Matic really dumping all the way down, not Matic, sorry, Bonk, well, you got the idea. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.